I will show you how to make turmeric pills. These pills are very beneficial for reducing the inflammation and wind from your abdomen, and it's good for your liver health. Overall, these pills will boost your immunity. So, for making these turmeric pills, you need 7 parts of turmeric, 1/4 spoon pepper powder, black pepper powder, 1/8 spoon Himalayan rock salt, and to make it into pills, we add honey to it. According to the requirement, you have to add honey to it so that you can make these pills, because if you put too much honey, then the pills it will be difficult to make pills. So just mix it and see how much quantity you need for making the pills. After mixing all the ingredients properly, we have to make small pills with this material. So the size of the pills should be almost like a green pea size, and dry them in a semi-shade area for 1 or 2 days, and once they are dry, you can store them in a jar, and you can take 2 to 3 pills twice a day. So this will boost your immunity, and if you have any issue like a wind in your abdomen and all, this will take care of that.